Fredrix, serving artists since 1868. Folding corners on your Pro Dixie Stretch It Yourself canvas kit. Folding your corners is easy if you follow these simple steps. First, fold your canvas 45 degrees, holding it against the stretcher bar with your thumb. Now fold the canvas up and over the corner, creasing the corner with your fingers and folding it so that it's even with the edge of your stretcher bar. Let's see it again. Fold your canvas 45 degrees at the corner and hold the corner with your thumb as shown. Lift the canvas up and over the stretcher bar so that the edge is even with the stretcher bar at the corner. Crease the corner when you fold it over, and it will retain the memory needed to attach the clips and stretch your canvas.